foliar spray application. This method normally refers to high volume application using a handgun to treat the foliage of the plant. It is recommended to use a number 5 to 8 tip on the spray gun and calibrate the pump pressure to ensure adequate penetration of bushes. Pressure will vary with different application equipment. Ensure you treat the entire leaf area of the plant to the point of runoff, with thorough coverage of the crown, runners and tips. Spray only when there is no movement of air towards non-target susceptible vegetation or waterways. Drift can be greatly reduced by using nozzles and spray pressures that can produce a minimum proportion of small drift-prone droplets. These are the products that work best with foliar spray application: Grazon Extra, Starane Advanced, Lontrol Advanced, Garlon 600 herbicides. Common woody weeds to control with a foliar spray application with Grazon Extra include African boxthorn, blackberry, capeweed, eucalypt regrowth, fireweed, gorse, lantana, mother of millions, Patterson's curse, St John's wort, sweetbriar, thistles, and wattle regrowth. Consult the Woody Weed Specialist's website or the Woody Weed Control Guide to determine what product will control which weed best. Let's look at some do's and don'ts when using a foliar spray application. Apply when plants are actively growing.
Time of year for spraying. This plant has just finished flowering, so anywhere from flowering onwards while the plant is healthily growing. It's very active at the moment and very suitable for a high volume foliar spray with Grazon Extra.
Spray the foliage to the point of runoff.
Spraying this bush requires the foliage to be thoroughly wet to the point of runoff, so we spray the full circumference of the bush right around. Once the foliage and the leaves are all wet, we then use the gun on the stream setting just to wet the stem from the top right to the ground level.
Spray from the bottom up in sideways strokes. Make sure you cover the crown, runners and tips. Don't apply when plants are stressed or losing their leaves. Different woody weed species often require different herbicides and application techniques for long-term control, so always read the label before undertaking any herbicide treatment.